Hello and thank you for joining us. A lawsuit has been filed alleging that Suboxone use contributes to oral injuries. If you took Suboxone in the form of a sublingual film, meaning placed under the tongue for a period of at least 6 months, and were diagnosed with certain oral injuries within the past 10 years, you may be entitled to compensation. Contact us today to see if we can assist. Suboxone is the brand name for an opioid addiction treatment that contains the drugs buprenorphine and naloxone. The sublingual, under-the-tongue film form of Suboxone is at the center of this lawsuit. So how does Suboxone cause oral injuries? The drug is very acidic, with a pH level of 3.4 when dissolved in water. As a result, an individual's oral pH is altered, which can have immunosuppressive effects. In other words, when the sublingual film form of Suboxone is placed under the tongue, it decreases salivary flow in the mouth. This lowers the capability to neutralize acids, referred to as buffering capacity, resulting in a reduced ability to fight oral injuries. In January 2022, the FDA issued a warning to consumers regarding Suboxone's relationship to dental problems. Additionally, several makers of Suboxone have agreed to pay more than $2 billion in total to resolve a Department of Justice complaint related to the drug's marketing. Now, personal injury settlements on an individual basis can begin. If you use Suboxone and developed an oral injury, then you may qualify for compensation. To qualify, you must have been prescribed the dissolvable film form of Suboxone to treat opioid addiction or pain management, and 2, use the dissolvable film for at least 6 months before suffering an oral injury. 3, developed one or more of the qualifying oral injuries, including cavities, tooth loss, tooth fractures, tooth decay, tongue injuries, gum injuries, and conditions requiring oral surgery. And 4, received a diagnosis of the mentioned oral injury within the past 10 years. If you or a loved one took Suboxone for at least 6 months or more and then developed one of the several oral injuries, then you may be eligible for compensation. Chisholm, and Kilpatrick is partnering with a law firm of Levin, Papantonio, Rafferty to help individuals who have been affected by Suboxone receive the compensation they deserve. Call us or fill out a form on our website to see if we can assist.